play Mobile Legends. You wanna add friend me? Here's my thing. This is my Giga Chat face. I don't know why I do that. And this is what I usually play: Yin, Zilong, and Layla. And this is all the. And this is my history. Sometimes I suck playing Layla, but now I have a skin. Now I don't know. So in this season I played 8 matches and got 1 mania and 2 triple kills and 8 double kills, and there's no first blood. And this is all the season. I got 1 savage, I got 2 maniacs and 10 triple kills and 54 double kills, and MVP lost 1 and 26 kills, highest kill, and highest assist is 14, longest win streak is 16, and first blood is 7. So highest kill I got like 26. So in a match I got 26 kills. My favorite hero is Jin. I don't have any diamonds. Don't ask me that. Don't ask me how I get that M4 thingy. I don't know too. And these are my friends. And my coins and my stuff here, I don't know, blah blah blah. And what is this? Let me claim this first. Oh, this one. Who the hell is this? Okay, guys, let's play Mobile Legends. Okay, we're playing rank. Fuck. Thank you. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Let me get that. Let's play. My phone is not online because I'm the one who only here. So anyone to play with. He's in school. She's not in school, but she's up with. And he's not in school, he's just busy. That's my dad friend. Who the hell is this boy? So mysterious guy. Bitch ass, dick ass, motherfucking ass, bitch. Anya, what the hell? Man, I'm just gonna play only 1 match, then I stop playing. Yin or badang.
No one can escape my iron fist.
Badang it is. Look at that guy. Oh, I haven't even played badang.
Power of Pegasus!
favorite hero. Also, I'm good at that skin, so you better not make us lose, okay? If you make us lose, I'm gonna fucking block you. I'm gonna fucking, I'm gonna fucking report you as playing cheat. Tomada.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
You have to go with the boat,
All
not with the
troops
car,
deployed.
bitch. Okay.
Shattering is the easiest thing.
Oh, my internet. My fucking god. Fucking.
Time is now.
First blood!
What the fuck, man? What the fuck is wrong with my fucking internet?
Strength is
Stay
simply my style.
Okay. If this again, I'm gonna surrender. Or I'm just not gonna play. Because I hate when this fucking happens. I don't care if I lose my credit score. I just don't want to fucking play.
If you dare.
An ally has been slain.
I hate it when it's fucking does that. I hate it. I hate the fuck it.
Slain.
I hate it. I hate it so much.
An ally has slain.
Gonna fucking flip the fuck out of here. I'm gonna go. Home. Home is my home. Home is your home. Home. Home.
An ally has been slain.
Okay. If this affects my playing,
Enjoy
I'm not gonna play
being
anymore.
shattered apart.
Me FFR. Fucking for real. Be fucking for real. Be fucking for real. What the fuck, man? Get me
Artist of
back.
combat.
Let me go back. Bitch. Won't you fucking kill me?
An enemy has been slain.
Yeah, no, it's not that bad. Oh my gosh. Play it somewhere else.
An ally has been slain.
I'm the perfect fusion of speed and strength.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Slain. Ally has been
dare!
Enemy has been slain.
Shattering is the easiest thing.
See, this is way better.
An ally has slain the
Oh my
turtle. Ally has been slain.
Ooh. This is happening even looking at it.
Enemy has been slain.
Oh, my camera's not on. I'm playing.
Enemy has been slain.
I'm just trying to tell you. Thing is, when I'm playing about
You
Stop.
destroyed the
keep disturbing me. Like it doesn't have anything to do.
Behold my strength!
You have slain an enemy.
I get one person. Oh fuck.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Shit.
Arts of combat!
Slain an enemy.
Enjoy being shattered apart.
Enemy rampage. Enemy has been slain. Shut down. Killing spree.
Just opening the like speaker.
An ally has been slain.
Oh, an ally has been slain.
Good game.
2 kills. Already good game. It's not like you
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Slain. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. Mega kill. Down. Enemy has been slain.
I
Our
fucking
turret has been
die.
destroyed.
I fucking die with that fucking wrist right there. See? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
An ally has
Oh,
slain
fuck
the
you.
turtle.
I'm the perfect fusion of speed and
You
strength.
should go left side. No, right side or middle. Left side is more better. But middle has a lot of people. And that player who always
Strength is simply my style. Yeah.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Attack! If you dare!
Enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Ally has been double kill. Enemy double kill.
I'm the perfect fusion of speed and strength.
Down. Enemy killing spree. Enemy double kill. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
That is a big risk there. I'm gonna not have diamond. I'm gonna have 3 diamonds after this because I'm gonna ask my fucking friend how to get 25 diamonds in a day. What the fuck, man? Oh my. Oh.
An ally has been slain.
Disgusting.
Enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy double
That's how you
kill.
do it, not a dad. Ew, what the fuck? Hey, everyone,
Enemy has
follow me,
been
follow me,
slain.
follow me, follow me, follow me. Just fucking follow me, bitch.
Joy being shattered apart.
Enemy has been slain. Enemy legendary.
Behold, my
Shut down. Initiate retreat.
strength is simply my style. I'm an artist of combat.
Ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Behold, my
You have slain an enemy.
time is now.
You have been slain. An ally has slain Lord. Has been slain. Ally has been slain.
God, that's brutal. Oh my God, that's brutal. Oh my God, that's brutal. Joel concert, don't bang. It's time to rise.
Shattering is the easiest thing.
Our turret is under attack. An ally has been slain. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Artist of combat.
You have been slain.
Oh my God, how am I supposed to kill her? Stop fucking me up. I hate that girl. That girl fucking pissed me off. Joel concert, Joel รอดไง
Enemy has been slain.
They have more kills than us,
Enemy killing.
but we have more IQ than them.
Ally has been slain.
Just keep dying.
Initiate retreat.
No.
Enemy has
If
been
you
slain.
dare.
Let's go, let's go. They don't know what to do.
Enjoy.
Enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill.
I'm the perfect fusion of speed and strength. Behold, my strength. My fists are unstoppable. Why?
Unstoppable. I think I can't do this anymore. fuck shit no. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fuck shit no. Oh fuck.
Launch attack!
Spread is simply my style.
Attack, launch there, launch attack. Okay.
An ally has been slain.
Let me.
Enemy double. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Retreat from the Lord.
Retreat from the Lord. Okay. That's a good move.
Initiate retreat. An ally has slain Lord. Your team destroyed a turret.
Shattering is the easiest thing.
Killing spree. Ally has been slain.
I'm an artist of combat. Behold my strength!
Mega kill. An ally has been slain.
Strength is simply my style.
Enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed the turret. Enemy godlike.
Bad.
Monster kill. Enemy has been slain.
I'm the perfect fusion.
Initiate retreat.
Strength.
Enemy legendary.
Behold my strength!
Shut down. Enemy legendary. Shut down. Killing spree.
Oh, sorry, I haven't even talked yet. Sorry.
Enemy has been slain. Ally has been
I'm
slain.
dying right now. I'm having 15 kills. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. They have been messing with the wrong boy here. Okay, let me do this a little bit.
Enjoy being shattered apart.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Lord. Oh my god, I died again.
Initiate retreat.
My highest kill is 26. But I'm not trying to beat that. That's a little boring to do. But look at it, look at it. We're beating them. Go, go, go. Don't even fucking stop. Go. Just go. Even though if you died alone.
Double kill.
Yay. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys.
Victory.
Wait, but let's see of our rank. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yay! It's very good. It's very, very good. Oh my god, I got a badge. Just quit, guys. Look at my achievement. I'm gonna decorate. Oh, my eyes! What the fuck is that, man? Okay, let's change it to this MVP. And let's change it to this MVP. What is the first game? Oh, wonderful. I need to master. What is?
I am Yin, and always will be, no matter what.
To me, fun is all that matters.
Okay, look at my thing here. I don't know what it's just. Let me see. Okay, I'm not. Yeah, Jujutsu Kaisen bundle thingy. Use. Let me use one. Let me do it again. Oh my god. Oh my god, is this a dream? Oh my god. Oh my god. I wanna have this MCL thingy. Oh! Loy! Loy! I'm gonna use this because I'm not playing chess, magic chess. Just use it now. Bro. So bye guys. Let's do this. guys in the next time. Peace.